Você vai deixar a vida te levar? Quem você quer ser? O que você vai fazer? Acredito que nós podemos te dar uma direção e te ajudar. Aqui, você vai aprender inglês e francês, e como fazer o seu currículo e a sua carta de apresentação para conseguir o seu trabalho no Canadá. É agora? Mexa-se e mude a sua vida, audaciosamente indo onde você nunca foi antes.
You know that you and only you can change your life. It is time to make your dreams a reality in your life. We are going to help you now. Here, you are going to learn how to have a decent conversation with people around you, in your life, in your working place, and get your new job, in your life. In this video, you will learn tag questions. You speak English, do not you? A tag question is a special construction in English. It is a statement followed by a mini question. We use tag questions to ask for confirmation. They mean something like, "Is that right?" or "Do you agree?" They are very common in English. The basic structure of a tag question is positive statement, negative tag, snow is white, is not it? Negative statement, positive tag, you do not like me, do you? Notice that the tag repeats the auxiliary verb or main verb when be from the statement and changes it to negative or positive. Tell us what you think. We want to read what you have in mind. This way, we can adjust our videos to put some light on your doubts. And now, let's go back to our video. Act now and hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, much more people will be helped. Leave your comments and we will change and adjust the videos. This is the only way. Now, let's keep moving. Positive statement tag questions. Look at these examples with positive statements. You will see that most of the time, the auxiliary verb from the positive statement is repeated in the tag and changed to negative. Plus positive statement, negative tag, subject, auxiliary, main verb, auxiliary. Not personal pronoun, same as subject, you are coming, are not you, we have finished, have not we, you do like coffee, do not you like coffee, do not you, they will help, will not they, I can come, cannot I, we must go, must not we, he should try harder, should not he, you are English, are not you, John was there, was not he. Notice the use of do in the two coffee questions. Remember that in present simple, do is optional in positive statements. You like coffee, you do like coffee, but the do must appear in the tag. The same applies to past simple did. In last two questions, no auxiliary for main verb be in present simple and past simple. The tag repeats the main verb. Hit the like and subscribe buttons, then you can help us to spread these words to more people. Help us to bring these words to your future Canadian friends. Now, let's see what else we have here. Help us and hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help you and will help us a lot. Thank you. Now let's keep feeding our brains. Negative statement tag questions. Look at these examples with negative statements. Notice that the negative verb in the original statement is changed to positive in the tag. Negative statement plus positive tag, subject, auxiliary, main verb, auxiliary, personal pronoun, same as subject. It is not raining, is it? We have never seen that, have we? You do not like coffee, do you? They will not help, will they? They will not report us, will they? I can never do it right, can I? We must not tell her, must we? He should not drive so fast, should he? You will not be late, will you? You are not English, are you? John was not there, was he? Notice, will not is the contracted form of will not. The tag repeats the auxiliary verb, not the main verb, except, of course, for the verb be in present simple and past simple. Answering tag questions. How do we answer a tag question? Often, we just say yes or no. Sometimes we may repeat the tag and reverse it. They do not live here, do they? Yes, they do. Be very careful about answering tag questions. In some languages, an opposite system of answering is used, and non-native English speakers sometimes answer in the wrong way. This can lead to a lot of confusion. Answer a tag question according to the truth of the situation. Your answer reflects the real facts, not necessarily the question. For example, everyone knows that snow is white. Look at these questions and the correct answers. Tag question correct answer note snow is white. Is not it? Yes, it is. Answer is same in both cases because snow is white. But notice change of stress when answerer does not agree with questioner. Snow is not white, is it? Yes, it is. Snow is black, is not it? No, it is not. Answer is same in both cases. Because snow is not black. Snow is not black, is it? No, it is not. In some languages, people answer a question like snow is not black, is it? With yes, meaning yes, I agree with you. This is the wrong answer in English. Here are some more examples with correct answers. The moon goes round the earth, does not it? Yes, it does. The earth is bigger than the moon, is not it? Yes. The earth is bigger than the sun, is not it? No, it is not. Asian people do not like rice, do they? Yes, they do. Elephants live in Europe, do not they? No, they do not. Men do not have babies, do they? No. The English alphabet does not have 40 letters, does it? No, it does not. Tag question special cases. Don't insist on living in your golden cage any longer and get out from it. Come on, start moving. Take your destiny into your hands and inform yourself to make wise decisions which will lead your life to the place you want it to be. Don't need to rush yourself, but do not waste your valuable time. Now, let's see some pronunciation. The vowels will make the sounds of the words resonate, and the consonants will put a stop or pause when you hold the air. This will make it possible for you to put your emotions and your intentions when you are talking. Therefore, you will control your conversations. Negative adverbs. The adverbs never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely, and scarcely have a negative sense. Even though they may be in a positive statement, the feeling of the statement is negative. We treat statements with these words like negative statements, so the question tag is normally positive. Look at these examples. Positive statement treated as negative statement. Positive tag, he never came again, did he? She can rarely come these days, can she? You hardly ever came late, did you? I barely know you, do I? You would scarcely expect her to know that, would you? Intonation. We can change the meaning of a tag question with the musical pitch of our voice. With rising intonation, it sounds like a real question, but if our intonation falls, it sounds more like a statement that does not require a real answer. Intonation. You do not know where my wallet is, do you? Rising. Real question. It's a beautiful view, is not it? Falling. Not a real question. Imperatives. Sometimes we use question tags with imperatives, invitations, orders, but the sentence remains an imperative and does not require a direct answer. We use will not for invitations. We use can, cannot, will, would for orders. Imperative plus question tag notes. Take a seat. Will not you? Polite invitation. Help me. Can you? Quite friendly. Help me. Cannot you? Quite friendly. Some irritation. Close the door. Would you? Quite polite. Do it now. Will you? Less polite. Do not forget. Will you? With negative imperatives only will is possible. Same way tag questions. Although the basic structure of tag questions is positive negative or negative positive, it is sometimes possible to use a positive positive or negative negative structure. We use same way tag questions to express interest, surprise, anger, etc., and not to make real questions. Look at these positive positive tag questions. So you're having a baby, are you? That's wonderful. She wants to marry him, does she? Some chance. So you think that's funny, do you? Think again. Negative negative tag questions usually sound rather hostile. So you do not like my looks, do not you? British English, asking for information or help. Notice that we often use tag questions to ask for information or help, starting with a negative statement. This is quite a friendly, polite way of making a request. For example, instead of saying where is the police station, not very polite, or do you know where the police station is? Slightly more polite, we could say, you would not know where the police station is, would you? Here are some more examples. You do not know of any good jobs, do you? You could not help me with my homework, could you? You have not got $10 to lend me, have you? Some more special cases. Example notes. I am right. are not I, not am or not I. You have to go, do not you. You do have to go. I have been answering, have not I? Use first auxiliary. Nothing came in the post, did it? Treat statements with nothing, nobody, etc. like negative statements. Let's go, shall we? Let's equals let us. He'd better do it, had not he? He had better. No auxiliary. Mixed examples of tag questions. Here is a list of examples of tag questions in different contexts. Notice that some are normal and others seem to break all the rules. But you do not really love her, do you? This'll work, will not it? Oh, you think so, do you? Well, I could not help it, could I? But you'll tell me if she calls, will not you? We'd never have known, would we? Oh, you do you? The weather's bad, is not it? You will not be late, will you? Nobody knows, do they? You never come on time, do you? You could not help me, could you? You think you're clever, do you? So you do not think I can do it, do not you? British English, shut up, will you? She can hardly love him after all that, can she? Nothing will happen, will it? Now, let's check your understanding of tag questions, shall we? You know that the only way to not be a lonely spectator of your history is to take your life into your hands, and only you can do this. Here you can see the things that matter for this purpose. Achieve your dreams and take the courage to get down in the rabbit hole to wake up in the other place that you've dreamed of. Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link and go deeper into your study to achieve your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video and be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.